Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of clearing clutter. Why is it important to clear clutter? You see, clutter can be a major source of stress and anxiety. You'd be surprised. It can cause it really. Um, it can make it, that it is difficult for you to focus and be productive. And the clutter can also make your space feel cramped and uninviting. But did you know that clearing clutter can also have a positive impact on your physical and mental health? When you clear clutter, you are making space for new things to come into your life. This can be anything from new opportunities to new relationships. It can also mean making changes to your lifestyle or your career. Clearing clutter can also help you to do many things. For example, it can help you to improve your productivity. When you're not surrounded by all the clutter, it's easier to focus and be productive. Uh, Clearing clutter can also help you to reduce stress. It can help you to relax and de-stress as you clear the clutter. I know, because I do it. Clearing clutter can help you get a better night's sleep. When you're not stressed about the clutter all around you, you're more likely to get a good night's sleep. And it can help you improve your mood also. When you clear clutter, it can help you to feel more relaxed and at peace. It can also help you boost self-esteem because when you clear clutter, you're like taking control of your life and making space for the things that matter the most for you. There are many ways to clear clutter. Here are a few tips. Start small, which is what I did. Don't try to declutter your entire house in one day. It's a lot, it's too much. Start by decluttering one room at a time, or even one space within a room at a time. And set realistic goals. Don't try to declutter everything in one weekend. Set realistic goals for yourself. You have lots of other things going on in your life. So do it slowly, yeah, but surely. And if you need to, you get help. If you feel overwhelmed, don't be afraid to ask for help from your friends, family, or even a professional organizer. Clearing clutter, sorry, clearing clutter is not only physical, yeah, on the physical plane. You can also do it for your website. Yeah, your website is an important asset. It is your online storefront and it's where potential customers will go to learn more about your business and what you have to offer. So that's why it's important to keep your website clutter-free and organized. This means removing any outdated or irrelevant content and making sure that your navigation is clear and easy to use. You should also regularly review your website analytics, yeah, to see how people are interacting with your website. I know because I do this regularly and I know it's a lot of work, yeah, but it's worth it. It's worth it to do it, yeah. You know, Especially when you do analytics, it will help you identify any areas that you need improvement. By taking the time to clear and organize your website, you can make it a more effective tool for generating leads and sales. And that's what you want, isn't it? You want leads and sales so that you can make money online. The weekend is a great time to clear clutter and refresh your space. It's a way to declutter your mind and your energy and to make space for the new and the better. So what are you waiting for? Start clearing your clutter today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to clear some clutter in your life. It's so important to do that. Yeah. So I hope you do it. Yeah. And I also hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, or anything that you'd like to clarify. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscription button and hit the notification button too for more videos like this. Yeah. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.